Hello and welcome to I Learn English with your host Wasim. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important but often overlooked elements of the English language, prepositions. Many learners focus on verbs and tenses, but neglecting prepositions can lead to misunderstandings. In this video, we will be discussing the top prepositions you need to know to improve your English and take your language skills to the next level. Before we start, let's take 10 seconds to review prepositions. Prepositions are words that indicate the position or relationship of a noun or pronoun to other words in a sentence. They are essential for proper grammar and sentence structure and are used in a wide variety of contexts. To help illustrate this, I'll be providing you with examples and images to help you understand the meaning and use of each preposition. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. The book is next to the lamp. The book is next to the lamp. The dog is in the yard. The dog is in the yard. The car is behind the tree. The car is behind the tree. The flower is in front of the window. The flower is in front of the window. The bird is above the tree. The bird is above the tree. The bag is beside the chair. The bag is beside the chair. The girl is below the slide. The girl is below the slide. The boy is between two trees. The boy is between two trees. The apple is on top of the pile. The apple is on top of the pile. The pencils are inside the jar. The pencils are inside the jar. The pen is outside the pencil case. The pen is outside the pencil case. The clock is above the fireplace. The clock is above the fireplace. The shoes are under the bed. The shoes are under the bed. The water is in the bottle. The water is in the bottle. The cup is on the table. The cup is on the table. The door is in front of the stairs. The door is in front of the stairs. The cat is walking towards me. The cat is walking towards me. The child is playing with a toy. The child is playing with a toy. The train is passing by the station. The train is passing by the station. The umbrella is protecting from the rain. The umbrella is protecting from the rain. The house is situated near the river. The house is situated near the river. The river is flowing through the valley. The river is flowing through the valley. The sea is crashing against the rocks. The sea is crashing against the rocks. The leaves are falling off the tree. The leaves are falling off the tree. The clouds are drifting across the sky. The clouds are drifting across the sky. The butterflies are fluttering around the flowers. The butterflies are fluttering around the flowers. Prepositions may seem small and insignificant, but they play a big role in making your sentences clear and accurate. Remembering and mastering these top prepositions will help you speak and write English more fluently and confidently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more tips and tricks on how to improve your English. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.